Hello my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my channel Learn Something. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today I am going to show you how to make logo for free till the video end, and don't miss any step and learn how to make it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comments and subscribe this channel. Let's see how to make it.
At first, you have to go Chrome browser and write Logo Maker the hood. And click the first link. I give this link in the description. Now you can see the screen of that site. And click new button for new blank page where you can make own work. At first you have to add some symbol, so click add symbol and see more symbol and category. You have to choose category. I wanna choose web. And select that symbol. You can see the symbol is placed on your project work. You can resize it. You can change the background color. Just click here and set color. I wanna choose black. And also you can customize that icon. Like if you wanna change the icon border color, just click on it and set the color. Also you can change the inside color like previous. After customizing, you have to click add text where you can write something, and also you can change the font and text color. I wanna write learn and see how to customize it. Again you can add text and customize it like as previous. And also you can add own image. After customizing the logo, you have to click save and download button and write email ID and click save and continue. Your logo has been sent to your mail. So let's go inbox and open the mail. You can see an attachment. Let's download that file and open the zip file. You can see I got my logo in different format like JPG, EPS, PNG, SVG, etc. Now I open any file from that. You can see my logo. Now you can use this logo anywhere you want.
Hello my dear viewers, how is it? Please tell me in comments section. I hope you can enjoy this video. So, please like, share, comments. If you are a new viewer on my channel, please go to subscribe for more important videos. Thanks for watching. See you again on my next video. Please stay tuned on my channel.